now we have a STEM day, and we go around in the gym and there's different subjects.
STEM is a combination between science, technology, engineering, and math. We have an elephant toothpaste station and a robotics station and a dry ice station and a water station.
The high school came and they showed us what they are in, and one of the stations is like robotics. And they let us take the little controller and move around the robot.
My favorite one is the robotics one because I really want to be an engineer when I grow up and an inventor.
It means a lot to me seeing the kids being so excited about engineering and getting to see how they get to go into the field with so much more technology than we had in our times, because technology just advances so fast, and it's kind of hard to keep up sometimes. And so seeing a lot of kids being really excited to mess with robots, to create their own projects and come up with their own designs is really exciting, because maybe someday they'll be the ones that save the world.
STEM's really important for kids to know about because there's so many job fields in STEM and there's so much you can do with it. It's important for these kids to get to see how STEM works in their lives. I really love science. Ever since I was in elementary school, I've loved going to science class and getting to do science projects. And it's really important to let these kids see all the different things you can do with science. It's not just a textbook, it's things you can do with your hands.
I'm glad that the high school kids came and helped us with it.
I want to thank the high school students for being here, and I want to do that and challenge young minds someday too.